Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will discuss about all the formulas related to discount and we will solve some questions also. So let's get started. What we have to do in discount, we will apply all the formulas that we applied in loss and we have to just interchange some terms. For example, in the formula of loss, if we displace loss by discount and we have to replace loss percent by discount percent and cost price with marked price, and marked price is written as MP. So let me show you the formulas of loss. For example, here in the formula of loss is equals to CP minus SP, and I told you to replace loss by discount, loss percent by discount percent, and CP by MP. So here our new formula of discount will be discount is equals to MP minus SP, and discount percent is equals to discount divided by MP into 100. So let's write this formula. Discount is equals to MP minus SP. We have to replace loss by discount and CP by MP. Second formula is discount percent is equals to discount by MP into 100. And another formula of discount will be like here in the formula of loss, we saw that SP is equals to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. So as I told you that we have to replace CP by MP and loss percent by discount percent. So let's create our new formula of discount with the help of this formula. Here SP is equals to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100, and second formula for MP, because we will be replacing CP by MP. MP is equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. So let's solve some questions related to discount. Here given that if MP is equals to rupees 500 and SP is equals to 450, then find discount percent. So since we know that discount is equals to MP minus SP. MP is 500, SP is 450, so a discount of rupees 50. So discount percent will be what? Discount percent is equals to discount divided by MP into 100. 50 divided by 500 into 100. Cancelled out. So 10% of discount. This is our discount percent. Next question is saying that after allowing a discount of 7 whole 1 by 2% on a marked price, so discount of 7 whole 1 by 2% on a marked price, an item is sold for rupees 555, find its marked price. So discount percent is equals to 7 whole 1 by 2, so we can call it as 15 by 2%. SP is given, we have to find MP. So we have a direct formula for that. MP is equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. 555 into 100 by 100 minus 15 by 2. Okay, so 555 into 100 by 200 minus 15 and into 2. 555 into 100 into 2 by 185. 185 with 3 times. So marked price will be of rupees 600. The next question says that the marked price of an item was rupees 2000, but the shopkeeper offered a double discount of 20% and 15%. How much did he finally sell the item for? Okay, so this is a very special type of question. Let's try to solve this. At first we have a marked price of rupees 2000 and the shopkeeper is the shopkeeper is applying a 20% off discount. Then we will have some SP But now again in this, the shopkeeper is giving 15% more discount. So what will be the final SP? This is the final SP and this is an intermediate SP. So this intermediate SP will be MP for the second discount. So let's try to solve. We will just apply 2 times the formula of SP. From this first discount, SP is equals to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. So MP is 2000. So 2000 into 100 minus 20, that is 80 by 100. So 1600. So here now the intermediate SP, or we can call it as a MP for the second discount, 1600. Now again we will apply the formula. Again SP is equals to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. MP is 1600 into 100 minus discount percent. 100 into 15 will be 85 divided by 100. So it is 1360. So option number C will be correct.